Hey everyone, so Kotlin Conf is happening and they have just announced a partnership with Spring. So let's go through this blog post. At JetBrains, we see Kotlin as a strong foundation for modern backend development, not just because of its technical strength, but also because of how it helps developers build reliable, maintainable system more efficiently. As part of our continued effort to make Kotlin a top choice for professional server-side work, we are excited to announce a deepened collaboration between JetBrains and the Spring team. This strategic partnership covers several key areas that make Kotlin an even more natural and powerful choice for building Spring applications. As Uriel Holler, Spring Framework co-founder and project lead, and Sebastian Deleuze, core committer and Kotlin support lead for Spring, put it, for many years already we have heavily embraced Kotlin as a first-class language for Spring application. We are excited to turn the organic collaboration that has occurred until now into a strategic collaboration between JetBrains and the Spring team to make Kotlin developer experience with Spring even better. Key areas of collaboration: full null safety for Kotlin and Spring app. The Spring team is actively working to improve Kotlin support by enhancing null safety across the framework. These improvements will automatically strengthen type safety in your Kotlin code without requiring additional configuration. Official learning materials in Kotlin. Core Spring learning resources will be made available in Kotlin, helping developers get started more easily and adopt idiomatic Kotlin practice from the start. Faster Kotlin reflection with Kotlin X.reflect. JetBrains is developing a new, faster version of our reflection library, Kotlin X.reflect, to improve performance in scenarios that rely heavily on reflection, such as dependency injection and serialization. Evolving configuration DSLs. The new bean registration registration DSL will provide the foundation for better support for Lambda and DSL based bean definition. This is just the beginning. More announcements are coming soon. Start using Kotlin with Spring today. Although some of the improvements announced today are still work in progress, Kotlin is already a fantastic choice for Spring application. Kotlin simplifies common backend operation, making code more concise and maintainable. It allows for clear and compact definition of DTOs, domain models and mapping, such as of entities to DTOs, with features like named and default parameter. Kotlin removes the need for builder pattern and other overload related boilerplate. Also encourages modular design through the use of extension function and top level function. Kotlin and Spring Boot is wonderfully elegant and powerful stack. Just how good modern Spring is becomes more obvious in a modern language, says Rod Johnson, Spring Framework original founder. On top of that, Spring team has long supported Kotlin first features, including coroutines. Spring offers first class coroutine support for easier building of reactive application using structured concurrency. Kotlin extension. Spring offers DSL and extension functions, making your Spring code more expressive and concise. Configuration DSLs. These features allow the compiler to help you configure your beans, security or routes using Spring Kotlin DSL. Whether you are starting a new Kotlin project or gradually adding Kotlin files to an existing Java and Spring codebase, the integration is seamless. Thanks to full interoperability, Kotlin and Java work together natively, allowing you to adopt Kotlin incrementally and on your own terms, even in large projects. Kotlin with Spring, a growing trend from startups to global enterprises. Kotlin adoption in the Spring ecosystem has grown rapidly. Teams at companies like Expedia, Atlassian, Jira Software, Mercedes-Benz.io, and many more are already leveraging the combination of Kotlin and Spring for faster development and greater maintainability. To date, 27% of Spring developers have used Kotlin. This includes the framework's original founder, Rod Johnson, as he proudly shared during his talk at Kotlin Conf. And you can watch Rod Johnson's full talk at Kotlin Conf 2025. So here they have given the live stream. If you are attending Kotlin Conf 2025 in Copenhagen, do not miss the next level Kotlin support in Spring Boot 4 talk by Sebastian Deleuze on May 22. From this session, you can learn more details about the collaboration as well as the new features intended to improve the developer experience and runtime efficiency of Spring Boot application for Kotlin developer. The recording of the talk will be available soon after Kotlin Conf 2025 on the Kotlin YouTube channel. With this expanded collaboration and the continued Kotlin first improvements, the number of developers using Kotlin is only set to grow. Kotlin and Spring are better together, and we are just getting started. With the combined efforts of JetBrains and Spring team, the next decade of backend development promises to be more productive, more enjoyable, and filled with more Kotlin. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.